Did you know that different flowers of different plant species have a varying number of ovules in their ovaries? A peach, for instance, develops from an ovary containing a solitary ovule. A papaya, on the other hand, has several ovules in its ovary, and that's why you see numerous seeds in the fruit when it is split open. The ovule, considered by botanists as the forerunner of the seed, has an oval or egg-shaped body. It remains attached to the placenta by a stalk called the funicle. In fact, the ovule's body fuses with the funicle in a region called the hilum. The ovule is well protected with one or two protective coverings called integuments. These integuments later form the seed coat. The integuments cover the entire ovule except at the apex, where they form a narrow opening called the micropyle. Did you know that the micropylar end acts as an entry point for the pollen tube during the process of fertilization? While the micropyle forms one end of the ovule, the chalaza forms the basal part of the ovule. At the chalazel region, we find that the funicle and integuments join the nucellus, the center region of the ovule that's made of a mass of diploid, colorless, thin-walled, parenchymatous cells containing food reserve materials. In the nucellus of a mature ovule lies the embryo sac, the female gametophyte, which develops from a megaspore. This megaspore is formed when one of the nucellus cells, towards its